Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do boo boo ba do a do.
Hello and welcome. I have something special today and a smile on my face. In case you didn't know, I am Mary and I like to wobble the tripod. This is Crafting Chaos Husky Glitter, and this is super special. I had a vendor actually reach out to me and ask me if I would be willing to review their product. And I took a look and was like, sure. And then the more I looked at it, the more excited I became about it. So they do sell on Amazon, and I will have it linked in the description below. I'm just going to set this over here. All right. Look, I actually have sharp objects to open this. I am like almost prepared. I'm just on my crafting table, so everything's right here. Had to clear my crafting table off because I am in the middle of a bunch of swaps. I'll also link below the swaps I'm working on in case you're interested, and a link to where I find a lot of my swaps. So this is a jewelry making kit, and well, I'm a paper crafter. I don't make jewelry, right? I mean, I do a little bit of jewelry stuff on the side. But there's so many different ways that this actually applies to paper crafting, because we do dangles and all kinds of things. And this is actually what I'm super, super excited about. Because at first I was just like, meh, and then I got thinking about it. So I'm going to start with this. Whoops. And I'm going to throw part of it on the floor. Okay. A little bit of assembly required, but I don't think it'll be very, very difficult. So what I'm excited about here is it has a magnifying glass, so I don't have to use the dollar store cheaters. So this is just going to attach somehow to this, and then I've got these guys. So I will have little alligator clasps to hold things, but I will have a magnifying glass, which, like I said, I'm really, really excited about this, because sometimes when I'm working with like jump rings and stuff, I need to be able to see close up, but I need to be able to like see the rest of my table as well. So I won't have to put the glasses on and have them hanging off my nose. So I'll put that together and have a picture of it in the end. I need to look at it and see. So yeah, I'm super excited to have that and work with it. It also comes with this toolkit, which is really nice that it's in a case. So if I want to travel, I can take it with me, because I do travel quite a bit. I'm getting ready to go on a vacation. I'm going to be in Florida, which is exciting. But I travel for work. I teach. And wow, there's some good stuff in here. Look at this. Okay, so we have some silver wire, some gold wire, and some clear cord, I guess you would call it. And it's not really wire, right? Because it's not metal. Lots of different things we can use for dangling and wire wrapping. I do some wire wrapping of different stuff. But look, I didn't even realize. I didn't look at it. I like glanced at it and was like, oh, that would be cool to have. So this is a little fine, but I could definitely use this in some dangles. And this will be nice because I have primarily purchased silver findings, but now I'm finding that I need that I need gold as well. So this is going to really help me out. Oh, some cord, I think. Let me open this and see. I'm trying to remember. I looked at the description. This might be waxed. Yeah, so this, it's not stretchy. This would be good for like a choker. But I can think of a lot of cool things I can do. I don't need to put that back in there right now. So we have a whole set of jewelry working tools, and that I don't know the real names of, but we have the round nose pliers and the clippy clippies. These are Mary's technical terms for things. And then these that are grippy. So these are used for cutting wire. These are used for like making loops, and then this is to like hold on to stuff. There is also a nice pair of tweezers. I mean, they're not like super high-end tweezers, but they'll definitely work for holding stuff. And these are nice. So this works good for getting your jump rings open. And then this is like a, what do you call that? A thimble, but it's a ring thimble. And I noticed in here as well, which is kind of cool, I want to see if these, so these are like beading needles. So that'll be nice. So you can use these to help you thread, and they're different lengths, to help you thread things or jab yourself. Because Mary's coordinated like that. Ouch. I'm going to kind of get that one in there. Oh, I guess it doesn't go down any further, and this just goes on there. I just want to stab myself repetitively because it'll be fun. And then there is also an awl, which is nice. I have a bookbinding kit that came with an awl, but it's nice to have a second one. And along with that is a nice pair of little scissors. Which I also have one in my bookbinding kit. So it's nice to have to cut like the twine and stuff, the cord. Twine wasn't the right word. And then these guys that are for threading needles. Whoops. So those are cool. Get them back in the bag properly. There is a fabric tape measure, and this is really good for measuring, like if you want to know how big a bead is. I saw a bead. Where did I put it? I was organizing some of my beads last night. I was too tired to craft. Like, is that a thing? I didn't realize it, but it is. So if I wanted to know what size this bead was, in case you didn't know, this is how this works. This is a caliper. Oh. So this is a 16 millimeter bead. So you can see there's the 10, there's the 15. So it's on 16. And look at that bag right there, 16 millimeter. Woohoo! So that's nice, in case sometimes things don't come marked, and sometimes you're like, oh, this is the perfect size for a beaded pen. What size do I need? You can use that to measure. Or if you want to get something the same size or whatever. And then check out all of these findings. So I know when I ordered, there was a coupon on Amazon. So watch out for that, to where you can clip that and save some money. I will definitely put the link in there. But look at, you know, we all love little goodie boxes, right? And look at all of the variety. So I have some clasps. I have earring hooks. I have eye hooks. Ooh, look at these. These are bead crimpers. So if I want to keep something from going any further, I can put that on and crimp it, and then it can't go past that. I'm not actually sure what these are. I'll have to look it up. But I feel like I can put that on and then use it as a clasp. Same thing with this, as a, not a clasp, but a hook, so that you can hook into it. These are backs of earrings, I believe. Yeah, okay. They were just stuck together, so I was like, what? And several different size jump rings. Some T-pins. Not T-pins. I-pins? T-pins? I don't know. The little guys that have the ends so the beads don't fall off. And then we have the same thing again in silver. And then these guys are the slightly smaller earring backs that I'm more used to seeing. So some really good goodies I'm excited to have. I definitely needed the gold toned jump rings because I don't have a ton of those, so that'll be nice to have. And I don't have any crimp beads, so that'll also be nice to have, because sometimes I want to do things with seed beads and they want to come off the ends of my T-pins. And yeah, so I am pretty darn excited to get this all put together and start using it. But thanks to them very much for reaching out and sending it to me. I will definitely be using this in my crafting, and I hope that you might check it out and order that if it's something that interests you. I definitely, like I said, I'm super excited about that. I will put that together and add a picture in here. And keep crafting. Any questions, put them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all of the good things. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful day.